Hello and welcome to shopjacksoncontrol.com's pro tip number 3. My name is Lauren Koval and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the comparator tool on our shop site. The first thing you're going to want to do is get logged into your account at shop.jacksoncontrol.com. If you don't have an account, you can register for one on our site. You're going to log in and go to the home screen as you see here. Underneath our main banner ad, you're going to see this reddish pink ad that says, Compare your parts, win more projects. If you click on this, this will take you straight to the comparator tool. And this comparator tool compares valves, actuators, assemblies, transformers, DC power supplies, and power meters. So down below here in this green box, you're going to type in a valve, actuator, any one of those parts. I'm going to do an assembly for our purposes today. I'm going to select the one that I'm looking for. This number sign or hashtag here just means that it needs to be configured before it purchased. I'm going to click on this Belimo assembly and it's going to search the site for anything that would be a good alternative for this assembly. Up here at the top are different manufacturers that we carry. I can select or deselect any of these so that they show up or don't show up in my search. And then I see the part number here on the left-hand side. The one at the very top is the one that I am trying to find an alternative for. The manufacturer, your pricing, and then everything beyond that are different attributes that are unique to that assembly. So basically what I'm looking for when I look and scroll down this list is I want to see all green next to the actuator here on the side. So anything in green means it's a good fit. Anything that's showing red means that it would not be a good fit for your needs. And then anything in this red or green mixture here means it could potentially work for whatever application that you're looking for. So I'm, scrolling down here, I see different valves, I see my pricing. So you might want to use this tool if you're looking for an alternative, maybe something has a long lead time, or you can also use this tool to try to find better pricing on something that's going to work the same. So here I see this Belimo. It's a little bit cheaper than the one I had selected. Everything is in green here, so I know it'll be a good match. So I'm going to select it here. It'll take me directly to the parts page where I can look at the installation guide, the spec sheets, and then I can configure it however I need and add it to that project or list that I've been working on. So again, this comparator tool is a great way to basically find good alternatives for your projects, either to hopefully save on some time or to save on some money. I hope you found this tool helpful. Please reach out to anyone on the Jackson team if you need any support. Thank you.